Stuff. I already started recording. What are you doing, man? Hey, there you go.
Will they take our phones away if we walk up to them with it?
Yeah, probably.
I like to have complete depression.
I mean, but they've seen kids with like earphones.
Yeah. Just so. I think that's how you say it.
Get bitches.
But you get a life.
Imagine that thing broke and someone fell.
I'd be surprised that's over to be you.
Okay, dude.
Or me. Hey, I speak things into the present, right?
I have my little Cosmo following me around.
Imagine having Cosmolium as your partner. Ooh,
You as
liquid.
your partner.
My Rayquaza. You're a Rayquaza. You're welcome. Have you been taking good care of my Zapdos?
Yes, I've been recently beating him to train every day.
Okay.
And by beating him, I mean giving him a rare candy, which is also stands for.
I mean, the candy is rare.
Giving him drugs to make him more powerful.
I mean, if you think about it, it's not drugs. It's their own thing. Holy crap, look at this liquid.
Damn!
That boy good.
Damn, boy!
Oh, look, we can trade if we catch it.
Why? What happened to the trading?
It's that tree. You know the tree that you can trade to evolve?
Oh, yeah. It's fucking Seadra.
Imagine not catching a Seadra. Okay, I'm gonna keep that.
Horrible. Horrible. Motherfucker. Alright, get in the ball, you little white princess.
What are you trying to catch now?
And Eevee.
EVs are good.
And they're fun and cute and adorable.
They really are.
I adore them.
They're amazing.
And they're beautiful. Very. I couldn't real quick.
Kind of sus to anyone.
In the deep 69.
I know,
What you
that
know
way.
about
Mr. Deep 32.
no, in the deep.
Mr. in the Deep 89. What?
Like how he comes up with all those nicknames.
You know, like kind of sus 29. You said if he's stealing the kill of spring player. How do you plead?
That player is not guilty, Your Honor.
12.
20, 12. Oh, fuck my. Come on.
Come on, bro. Get in the Pokeball. You'll love it in there.
We got gadgets and gizmos and the
Watch it. Watch out. Watch out. It's a madman on the loose.
we have sex and dungeons
And I
and
like
death.
to. And I like to mess.
And my gender is
Another liquid. Never mind.
Are you fucking kidding?
What? Your storage is full?
I need to save up more. That's it. I'm too bad at saving coins. I'm gonna buy it. Something. Come on. I don't care.
You heard it here first, folks.
I don't give a damn. I'm tired of having little storage.
Imagine not having 350 Pokemon in your storage.
I do have 350 Pokemon in my storage. That's why it's full.
Oh my god!
What did you find?
The bird.
You motherfucker! No, it's not fair. It's not fair.
And the CB's low.
How? How? It's not fair! It's not fair! He's found all 3 of them already! And I haven't found a single one. Did you catch it?
We're about to find out.
Wait, hold on. I read online there's a trick where like keep missing your Pokeballs on purpose. Hold on, let me read it. I have it pulled up right here. Hold on.
Hey, I gotta take a screenshot of the bad boy.
It's not fair, dude. It's so
We're just walking
unfair.
around. I'm like, oh my god.
I thought you were saying it as a joke, and that's why I wasn't reacting.
You're like, yeah, really. Oh my. I'm like, legendary bird. You're like, are you?
Go, use a silver peanut berry and throw a bunch of them towards the side of the screen. Do that 20 times, all right?
Wait, a silver pineapple?
Yeah, or whatever berry, and then throw it to the side of the screen.
What? Throw what?
20 Pokeballs. 20 Pokeballs to the side of the screen. Don't try to catch the Pokemon.
Okay. Puff. 1, 2,
Because apparently Pokemon has a mechanic where the more Pokeballs you miss, the more likely it is you'll catch the Pokemon.
3, 4,
Oh my
5,
god! It's not fair!
6.
How?
Because I'm just built different.
Why can't I be built different?
Because you're not blessed.
If I give you a shiny, will you give that to
So,
me?
no.
What if I give you shiny Dragonite?
No.
My shiny Dragonite that was an exclusive move Draco meter.
Give
9.
Give him a training.
10,
Shiny Garchomp is ass.
11,
Give him air.
12.
You're using Pokeballs, right? You're not throwing Ultra Balls?
I'm using Pokemon. I think that's 13, 14, 15, 16,
Can I see where you're catching?
17,
Fucking Galarian Moltres, dude. It's not fair.
18,
So unfair.
19.
How?
and it should be over 20 now.
Alright, use your Ultra Balls and use a Golden Raspberry or a Silver Peanut Berry. I recommend Silver Peanut Berry because you can get more.
Well,
candy.
too late. I already. Then. Oh.
Bruh.
Alright.
You want me to try?
No,
Okay.
I have to do this.
Move it more up because it's flying up. Let me help you.
No, I want
You're
to.
clearly struggling. You could have done this normally and you would have gotten the bonus thing.
Bro, what the heck?
Can I just help you, please?
Bro, why are you not?
You're struggling. Let me help you.
No, I have to use struggle. There we go. Yeah.
Okay. Let me see. Damn it.
Gosh darn it. It's Lost Boys.
I'm sorry.
You lied. You made me waste my Pokeballs.
Hey, did it shake? It shook 2 times. That rose the chance. Did I say it was 100% guaranteed?
Yeah, but you wasted them on my
I'm
Pokeballs.
sorry about that. I was gonna say that, but I was like, I wanted to try to catch it.
I just got a picture of it.
Yeah, motherfucker. It's not fair.
Oh, that's fair in Love and War.
Except this isn't love or war. This is Pokemon.
You mean you don't love me, best friend?
Okay.
Wow.
That's not what that's not.
Wow.
I did not say that.
Wow. I think this I was gonna be finding Galarian Moltres and wasting my Pokeballs because my friend told me to.
No, I love you as a best friend, not a friend. I see where I was going there.
Alright, sure. This I was gonna be wasting on my Pokeballs because my friend told me to catch a to try to catch
I'll
Galarian
have
Moltres.
you know, I've actually Googled it and it doesn't use catches. I know a lot of people.
Wait, do you have to throw exactly 20? Because I threw a little bit more.
No, like it's around 20.
Oh.
You guys playing?
Damn it!
You
What?
guys playing?
Still mad. How?
What are you
Pokemon.
playing?
Pokemon Go in this bit. How do you already find all 3 of them?
How is he beating you? But his Wi-Fi is like horrible.
Hey, my Wi-Fi is not bad.
Bro, my GTA can be faster.
Bro, he's found all 3 of those damn birds already.
Yes,
And
sir.
I have not found a single fucking one.
What birds?
Galarian birds.
1.
12.
Handicap. For what?
15.
It's not fair.
And all is fair in war and love.
That's not it.
What bird are you looking for?
Here, I took a picture of it. I'll show you. Holy crap, that's good.
And that was the one I'm looking for because I really want that
Let
one.
me see the bird.
I'll show you in like a good 5 minutes.
Show me the bird he wants. So as you download the game and get the bird.
Boy, bro, it's gonna take you a long time to find that bird.
No. I just spend money on the game.
Yeah, you only get these one a day and they're free.
What?
The incentives and you can't get more, and you only have 15 minutes and you have to walk around.
Here, let me see the bird.
I'll show you the footage to tell you.
Can you send me the picture, please?
No.
I will. But I'm gonna tell you this one thing. Remember how I told you that when the bird spot, it's like a little white ball and then the incense thing around it?
Yeah.
And that's what happened all 3 times. You won't believe me.
I think it happens to you because they're new and like high res Pokemon. And that's why your thing lags to load them in.
No, I think it's just.
The other day I found an Ampharos and it took a little bit to load in. That's a huge Pokemon.
Oh.
So it's probably because of the high
Well,
res.
if it does that to me, I know that it's a Galarian bird.
Or it could be a weasel, because that also happened to me.
No, for me, it has only happened with 3 of the Pokemon.
I swear.
Them being the Galarian birds.
Stop reminding me of them.
Well, I'm just saying the
You're
truth.
just making me more sad.
Look, a good friend will cheer you up. Your best friend will make you feel down even more.
I know.
So you can't really blame me?
Happy for your success. You did not come here to have it rough, then I face it.
Well, I didn't come here for you to waste my Pokeballs.
At least you've seen all 3 of them. I haven't even seen one.
I mean,
The only ones
yeah.
I've seen is when I'm playing with you and then you find one and then I'm jealous and I'm telling you please catch it.
And then you
And
make
then
me waste 20
fail to
Pokeballs.
catch it.
Next time, I'm just gonna straight up just check the Ultra Ball at. I don't care. Hey, just coming across them is good enough for me. I don't have to catch them.
I want to catch it.
Look, the catch rate is search up the catch rate. You'll see how low it is. And the flea rate is 90.
I'm still mad.
Look, don't be mad, okay? When the time is right, it will come to you, okay?
What?
Oh, when is the time?
That's for God to know and for us to
You're
wonder.
never gonna get that bird. You're not gonna get
One day I shall find them. You're right, one day I shall find them and nurture them and take care of them. They will grow to become my most powerful allies.
But they're even good in PvP.
Till then, keep searching.
Well, I think I could just caught it if it was lower, with like a great throw or something.
What was its CP anyways?
389.
You're joking, right?
I'm not. Here, I can't see in this. Here. Just wait for I'll wait for the instance to go down,
And then the games are together.
and I'll show you the
Mine
picture.
has the controller being customized. So
Okay.
he's getting it for cheaper than he should have. By a lot.
But I mean, if you really think about it, I haven't ran all 3 of them in one account. I ran into one of them in my alt.
That's even luckier to find it on your first try.
Imagine if I actually caught in the Pokeball. No. Sorry.
Bro, I'm struggling with the shoelace I have right now.
I don't care. Put your phone away.
I already did. It doesn't
Doesn't matter, put the phone away. It really does not matter. Wait, watch them come into race the glaring birds. 12.
The people who spent their entire lives finding them after that.
You. My name is Rage.
Well, my time's about to run out.
23 seconds.
26.
Why am I even trying to get my hopes up praying that Galarian Zapdos will spawn?
Why am I getting my hopes up thinking I need the bird to spawn?
Because I don't think it's possible for two birds to spawn in one instant.
I have walked 5 kilometers already.
Okay.
Oh, there goes any chance of hope I had. Just need to complete 10 field research tasks. Oh yeah, this thing has an evolution now.
Okay.
Did you see the trailer in the morning?
Of course not. Because I'm not a Pokemon nerd like you.
Scarlet. I didn't even know there was a trailer this morning. I just woke up. And then later in school, like when I was getting to school, I was like, oh! Like I was eating breakfast and I was like, oh!
Gasp.
While eating my spicy noodles that were burning my mouth but were so good at the same time.
Alright, let's take a look at
Its
Snapshot.
tail consumes, its whole climbs up towards the throat.
Yeah,
and
it was
then becomes-
390. You see?
What the hell?
If I haven't followed your advice.
And that was weather boosted.
No, there's no weather boost on this thing. Like, does that look like a weather boost?
Oh, that's an instant. I thought that was
You bought. So Tuesday made me waste my 20 Pokeballs. More than 20. I'm just gonna end the recording.